Wisconsin parents have a new tool to protect their kids against identity thieves. Every year, tens of thousands of children have their identities stolen in this country.
All week long, we're sharing stories about identity theft and how you can protect yourself. And tonight, we turn our attention to children.
A News 3 investigative reporter Adam Schrager joins us with more on Wisconsin's Child Credit Protection Act. Adam.
So, Eric and Michelle, children are really the ideal victims for identity thieves. Their credit is clean, and best of all, for those doing the stealing, there's a good chance the crime can go undetected for years. As parents, we brag about our kids' intelligence, their cuteness. But for identity thieves, kids offer something else.
They have clean records.
Representative Jeremy Thiesfeld authored a new Wisconsin law designed to protect kids from having their identities stolen.
And one of the responsibilities of government is to make sure that we are protecting the consumers from predatory practices, and that's exactly what this is.
The reasons kids are such attractive targets is that they're not trying to buy a car or a house anytime soon. They're not applying for credit cards, and oftentimes they become victims without ever knowing.
What parent is going to be too worried about their child's credit being damaged when they're 3, 4, 5, 6 years old? And so this could go on for 10, 12 years before anybody finally notices. And so that's why they became a target.
Thiesfeld's legislation gives parents the legal right to freeze their child's credit with the reporting agencies until they turn 16 years old. As the father of 4, his message to his fellow Wisconsin parents is simple.
Consider taking this small step to ensure that they aren't going to reach adulthood with suddenly tens of thousands of dollars of debt on their name.
So to freeze your kids' credit, you need to provide the 3 major credit reporting agencies with their social security numbers and birth dates. And I know I always caution people about giving out that information, but in this case, it's needed to create a credit report since loans follow identities. It's also going to cost $10 at each of the 3 agencies. You can sign up at the websites of those credit bureaus.
Whoa, that is so scary for parents out there. And can you imagine the years that would go by, just like you said?
Tens of thousands of new victims every year.
Okay, thank you, Adam.
Thanks, Adam.
Thank you.